All right, y'all, it's my B, and today we are back for yet another hair review tutorial, whatever you get out of it. I've been trying to review this wig since 1962 during the Civil War era. Okay, so that's an exaggeration, but not for I've a good 2-3 years. Long story short, this is about to be the shortest hair review / tutorial that you've ever seen in your life. I wanted to do this review for a long time because it is by a Black-owned business, City Girl Curls. If you are not following them, get into it. I found them through Jackie Ina. If you're not following her, I suggest you download the internet. I suggest that you get your life. But yeah, if you don't know who Jackie Ina is, maybe you live in Switzerland. But anyways, she featured this wig, this exact wig, but in black, of course, on her channel. I want to say a good 6-8 years ago. She wore it when she was accepting I think an NAACP award for social media influencing. She changes up the styles a lot. She usually keeps at least a good 10 different styles on there at a time, but this one has been there, like I said, for 8+ years. But your girl saved up her coin, her little $40-$50, and got this on sale. Actually, it was $40 and then $10-$16 for shipping. You can also check out her website, CityRepublik. Smaller, she's got a team, but she just has a lot of beautiful pieces on there. It gives very Afrocentric. It gives very much Black girl magic, and it just makes my heart smile every time I see her make it. Without further ado, so I'm gonna insert some videos and pictures of just what the wig looked like coming right out of the bag. So you get a little stocking cap. So it comes in this little box. You get this little thing. It came with a net, but I always throw the nets away because that's just too much to keep up with. Like I said, I got this wig on sale. I think this was the only color that was on sale. But yeah, this is Raven. She is in the color burgundy. And it's lit, you know what I'm saying? So it's a Houston-based business. You get this little sheet showing you what you ordered, everything you ordered. She has a lot of really good deals, like buy one get one half off, buy one get one, and then buy two get one free. She just be having the best deals. If you do not want to do nothing to your hair, just throw one of these bad babies on. And like I said, tons of different styles. So this is one of her newer ones right here. I really wanted that one, but I was all in on a budget, bitch. This one, oh, this one is so cute to me. I'll be reviewing more on here coming soon. Yeah, and then you get this little instruction sheet on how to best keep up with the hair and what to do to basically upkeep. And then it just has her little Instagram handle for her business. And yeah, thank you for shopping with us. So yeah, she's super cool. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I tried out my lashes. It's my first time wearing lashes in my life. I know it took a good hour to get them on, but it was totally worth it. I feel so accomplished. I feel so productive, and I really feel like that bitch right now. You see what it looked like when it first came out. All I did, and she says this on her website, the longer you wear it in, the better it looks. So I just fluffed it out. Of course, I cut the bangs, so it doesn't come with these bangs. If you go on the site, she has tons and tons of reviews. I've seen a lot of people do it where they just do the cute little, you know what I'm saying, little twisties or little braids right here on half their head, and then just stick this bad boy on the back. And then you wouldn't have to cut any bangs, but lazy girl hacks. Here we are with the half wig, and I haven't cut the back at all. I'll show y'all what it looks like. Hope y'all can see that. Does not come with combs, so bobby pins, you know, right here, and then one at the base of the head. Comment down below if you have any questions. Of course, I'm gonna link the wig so y'all could, you know, live your best bad bitch life as well. But shout out to City Girl Curls, shout out to CityRepublik just for being a beautiful Black owned business. I'm so happy to support, and hope y'all liked it. Bye.